for the summer harvest, and to celebrate, my friends from the Ingles table and I are cooking up some amazing summertime favorites. We're so glad you're here. Enjoy.
In this episode, Jasmin Queen makes her healthy sprouted tortilla and black bean enchiladas.
Hey guys, Jasmine here at the summer harvest at Abby J's farm. I'm here with my good buddy Steve, and today we are making some healthy enchiladas. I already have some onions and some garlic here in my pan. We are going to get these guys cooked. And Steve, if you don't mind, I'm gonna get you to start handing me some of these delicious vegetables I brought in today. So I have some roasted eggplant. I went ahead and roasted the eggplant and the zucchini for about 20 minutes. I threw some olive oil, some garlic powder on them, so they're already cooked. So we're just kind of sauteing everything together. Some zucchini for me right there. Again, this is already roasted. This is a super, super easy summer meal. I'll take some corn. That's fresh from Abby J's right there, but of course, if you don't want to do the fresh corn, you can just get it in a can. That'll work too. Some black beans. That's going to be our protein for the day because this is a meatless meal. And how about some fresh jalapenos?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you like it spicy?
Spice it up, yeah.
There we go.
Hotter the better.
We have some chili powder, some cumin, and some salt, if you'll kind of hand that all over this way. Cumin, thank you. And salt. All right, Steve, if you'll hand me, I've got some basil, and then I have, trust me on this one, I have some mint. I know that sounds odd in this dish, but believe me, it is delicious. All right, we're gonna let this cook. I have already made an enchilada sauce. It is right below you if you wouldn't mind. So super easy. I got some tomato sauce from Ingles. I have some chipotles and adobe sauce. I've got some chicken stock, and then I also put a little bit of chili powder in here because I like it spicy. Just blend that up. It takes maybe 2 minutes. If you don't have time to do this though, Ingles sells enchilada sauce, so you don't have to make it on your own if you don't want to. So what we're gonna do, I have some sprouted tortillas here. Have you ever used sprouted tortillas?
I have not.
Okay, well sprouted tortillas are super good for you. They have all sorts of vitamins, minerals, and they taste really good. They do come in the frozen section at Ingles though. So you're gonna have to go in the frozen section to find these guys. You're gonna wanna let them thaw a little bit or you're gonna have a hard time rolling them into a burrito. So we're gonna put some of this right here in the middle.
So this is just a totally healthy dish.
Oh, it is healthy. So what we're gonna do is you'll just fold it up like you would. Again, these are kind of, see they get kind of crunchy, but that's okay. So I have a finished product so we don't have to wait for these to cook. All right, are you ready? Here's your healthy enchiladas.
Man.
All right.
Wow.
So we coated the bottom of the pan with some enchilada sauce. We put our enchiladas on there, topped it with some sauce, and then put a little bit of shredded Mexican cheese on the top. So we need to get these over to the table and see if we can share these, right?
I'm ready to go if you are.
Let's do it. Up next though, you're cooking your cowboy steak, so make sure you guys stay tuned.
I hope you've enjoyed your time with us today. We sure appreciate you stopping by. There's nothing that improves a wonderful meal more than a special feeling of sharing it with friends and family. Make sure and explore the rest of the site here at inglestable.com. Thanks again, y'all.